Today, we're diving into one of Japan's most beloved traditions, the onsen.
All right, let's step into the warm, relaxing world of Japanese hot springs.
First up, what exactly is an onsen? It's a hot spring, naturally heated by volcanic activity.
And believe me, Japan has a lot of them. We're talking around 3,000 hot spring areas. So, with thousands to choose from, where should you go? Let's check out a few famous ones.
There's Kusatsu Onsen, which is known for its really unique, acidic, and sulfurous waters.
Or Nyuto Onsenkyo. This place feels like you found a hidden, traditional hot spring.
And you can't forget Beppu Onsen. It has the most hot spring sources in the entire country.
Okay, this is super important. You have to know the bathing etiquette before you go.
So, ready for a dip? Let's break down exactly what you need to do.
Okay, first, no swimsuits. Wash up before you get in, and keep towels and hair out of the water.
And here's a big social tip. The water's hot. Always ask before adding any cold water.
And a few final things. Be careful with photos, dry off before the changing room, and don't overdo it.
Knowing these rules is key. It's how you really get to enjoy this amazing piece of Japanese culture.
So hopefully this helps you get out there and experience Japan for yourself. Have an amazing trip.